Why do JavaScript array iteration methods have different V8 performance? Have you ever wondered why some JavaScript array iteration methods seem to run faster than others? This question is quite common among developers, and the answer lies in the details of how the V8 engine operates. Let's break it down in a way that makes sense. JavaScript provides various methods for iterating through arrays, including for loops, while loops, forEach, and map. Each of these methods has different performance characteristics when executed in the V8 engine, which is the JavaScript engine used in Google Chrome and Node.js. Traditional loops, like for and while, generally perform better than higher-order methods such as forEach and map. Why is that? The main reason is that forEach and map requiring calling a function for each element in the array. This adds extra overhead because every time a callback function is invoked, it consumes more memory and processing time. When working with large arrays, this overhead can lead to significant performance differences. In fact, using map or forEach can take more than 10 times longer than using a simple for loop. Another factor influencing performance is how V8 optimizes different types of arrays. V8 categorizes arrays into two main types: packed arrays and holey arrays. Packed arrays are dense and have no missing elements, while holey arrays have gaps. Operations on packed arrays can be optimized more efficiently, leading to faster execution. If the type of an array changes during execution, for example, by adding special values like -0, not a number, or infinity, V8 may downgrade the array to a less optimized type, which can slow down performance. V8 also handles boundary checks and inlining in a unique way. Modern versions of V8 can often eliminate boundary checks in simple loops, making them run even faster. This means that sometimes the performance of a traditional for loop can be comparable to or even better than that of array methods like map or forEach. So, what does this mean for your web development projects? For smaller arrays or code that does not require high performance, using methods like map and forEach is perfectly fine. They offer better readability and make your code easier to maintain. However, if you are dealing with large arrays or performance-critical sections of your code, traditional loops like for and while are usually the better choice. It's also important to understand how the content of your arrays can affect V8's performance. Avoiding unnecessary type transitions can help keep your code running smoothly. While it is tempting to optimize everything from the start, it is wise to profile your code first. This way, you can identify when it is necessary to switch from array methods to traditional loops. In short, the performance differences of JavaScript array iteration methods in the V8 engine stem from callback overhead, how V8 optimizes array types, and the trade-offs between code clarity and execution speed. Understanding these factors can help you make informed choices about which iteration method to use based on your specific needs.